Yon, good morning guys. Another day, another ride. Timoto Vlog here. So ngayon, magra-ride tayo pupuntang Marilac. First time magra-ride na ito ni Iris dun eh. Never ko pa siya nadala since March pa. So may kasama ko tayo ngayon. Ayong bayaw na Aerox din. Bago kuha lang din. First time niya sa Marilac, tsaka first time din ng Aerox niya. So ngayon, dadali natin siya doon. Breakfast ride. Okay guys, samahan nyo kami. Short long ride. Pultang ka tayo?
Hindi pa. Ano bang nakakapul?
Ba't ako magpupultang sa ano eh? Dangari, doon na tayo magpultang. Para sure ball. So time check, 5:40. Ride out na kami from Cavite to ano. Sana maganda panahon. So, mic check. Yeah. Okay, ride out. Hey guys, papultang muna kami dito sa may Bulibog Ward. So, ang bisong sikat ng araw ngayon. Pero tama lang ang aming alis. So, ayan. Hindi ako kanyang bagong Aerox na. Bagong buha. Hindi ni Porting Bebent itong bigat. Saka ano eh.
Hit the road. Hey, hey. Feel the breeze, feel the breeze. Yeah. City lights, so bright. Got my crew, got my crew. Oh. Pack your bags, let's go. Catch a flight, catch a flight. Woo. Music loud, music loud. We are on the road now. Feel the beat, don't slow down. Dance until the morning light. Moving, grooving all night. Sunset glow. New places, new faces. Dance floor wide open. We shine. Destination. Rock this town. Feel free. Beat drops. So sweet. Feel alive. We are on the road now. Feel the beat, don't slow down. Dance until the
Okay guys, so touchdown kami ng Manukan. Anong oras na? Ha? 8. Alas 8. So medyo mabagal ang aming biyahe. dahil marami ng kasabayan at traffic. So bukas ko is so ngayon guys, hanap naman kami makakainan. So baka diretso na namin sa Infanta. Since first time dito ni Bayaw. Susulitin na namin.
Green trees, bright skies, mountains high, clouds fly, rivers flow, the birds sing. Nature's here, it's everything. Oh, nature's all around, in every sight, in every sound. From the sea to the sun, it's beauty for everyone. Soft breeze, warm sun, every day a new fun. Flowers bloom, colors bright, nature shines pure and light. Oh, nature's all around, in every sight, in every sound. From the sea to the sun, there's beauty for everyone. Soft breeze, warm sun, every day a new fun. Flowers bloom, colors bright, nature shines pure and light, pure and light. Oh, nature's all around, in every sight, in every sound, in every sound. From the sea to the sun, it's beauty for everyone. Beauty for everyone. Nature's calling, come.
So pakapal ng hamog guys. Yan. Pababa na siya. Dito kami kakain. Food trip. Yan, daming sticker ng mga vloggers. Wala tayong sticker eh. Next time na lang. Yo! Super hangin. So may windy. Sa taas naman, sinirang Infanta Art. Dito kami sa KM90. Ewan ko kung may KM90 tawag dito. Pero ito yung bagong attraction. Tingin niya guys. Okay guys, so dito na nagtatapos ang ating video. Kung nag-enjoy kayo, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Timoto Vlog. Hanggang dito na lang ang aking video. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.